There are two main ways that allow you to take screenshot without buttons on this phone. The first method is to use the swipe gesture with your hand. So we can swipe from left to right or from right to the left, and it looks like this. There we go. This can be enabled and disabled by going to settings. Then over here you can choose advanced features, motions and gestures, and here we have palm swipe to capture. So if you disable this option, then this gesture won't work. The second way to take a screenshot without using buttons is to use a button in quick settings, which in my case is over here, but it is not added by default. So you need to tap on this pen icon in the top right corner. You can press edit here. And in your case, you need to find it in available buttons and tap on it to add it to the list. And then press done in the top right corner twice. And if you press this take screenshot button, the quick settings panel will hide and you will capture the full screenshot. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.